Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the ENSTER 2.5K 4MP security camera for outdoor and for home use. You can use it indoor or outdoor as you like. In the office, in the garage, where you like. We have a 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi camera here, which matches in dual bands. That means 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz band is be ready for you. 360 degrees PTZ IP camera system for outdoor with human motion detection. Automatic tracking, spotlight, color night vision, or a night vision without color. Both is possible. And we have two-way audio talk. The dual-band Wi-Fi camera here for outdoor with a panoramic view can connect to the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. The powerful 2.4 and 5 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi chipset ensures a stable and a long WLAN transmission distance. The intelligent IP outdoor camera is equipped with a smart app. We download the TUYA 2YA app out of the Play Store or out of the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. You can also use the Smart Life app for that. SMART and Live. Both are compatible with this security system here. We download it, we connect it. And then we can connect to the camera at any time to ensure our family's safety from anywhere, at any time. PTZ Outdoor surveillance camera with floodlight. We have a built-in 4 infrared and 4 full-color LEDs with black and white vision and color night vision mode. We have a horizontal 355 degrees vertical 90 degrees pan tilt rotation with 4x digital zoom. This covers a much larger viewing area and captures more detail for us. And when the smart camera detects someone approaching our house or our home or where we are assembled, the camera lens will always track them and uploading it to the cloud or to the microSD card. It supports 24/7 monitoring. And you can install a maximum of 128 GB microSD card, which is not included in the package, of course. And it comes with push notifications to our cell phone. At the same time, we can send an alert via two-way audio. Phone and SMS notification are paid, and the app push is for free, okay? This outdoor security camera can be used as both an outdoor camera system and a smart lighting, because the brightness of the light is adjustable, and it is also possible to set the light to turn on at 13 times at the night and turn it off at 13 times during the day to meet our lighting needs. Set up the camera is really quick and easy, as you see in that video. We access the camera anytime and anywhere on our phone and share the live view simultaneously with our family if we like. The camera is waterproof design. This makes it suitable for all weather conditions out there. And as you can see, the installation is really easy. You drill 4 holes, you get 4 screws into position, or only 2, it matches 2 as you can see, and then we can start connecting this to the power supply. ENSTER has been a recognized leader in delivering quality cameras since 2010. They are a brand that we can 100% trust because they stand behind the products. They are committed to continuously improving the product using the feedback that they receive from users like us. 2.5K, 4MP, 2.4 and 5 GHz network Wi-Fi PTZ security camera system. So you can't use it in a dual band. Auto tracking and alert, motion detection, two-way audio, light and serene, IP66 waterproof, color night vision, and nearly 360 panable and 90 degrees tiltable. The ENSTER security camera comes with everything what you need with this surveillance system here. It makes a good job and gives you a cool security at home. Because it comes with a dim angle and a timing adjustment. Intelligent lighting is that. And of course, 24/7 recording. Monitoring. We can rest as easy, knowing that our home is always being watched to protect. And it's easy. We download the app, Smart Life or 2 Year Smart. Then, of course, we have to make an account on it, but this is for free. Then we log in with our account to the app. And after this, we can start. There are two methods we can go through. We configure the network through the Wi-Fi. That means preparations. Then we connect the camera within 1 meter. After the connection, the camera can be moved to any place in range of the Wi-Fi. Then we connect the camera into our Wi-Fi network itself by using the app. So we select the camera system. We select smart camera 2.4 and 5 gigahertz network. Then we have to reset the camera by pushing 5 seconds on the reset button. And after this, we will get a QR code. This QR code we are holding in front of the camera lens. And then all informations are on the camera. The camera will connect to our Wi-Fi network. Job's done, we can assemble it. Or method B, network through a network cable. For preparation, we connect the end of the network cable to the local area network port of the router and the other side on the network cable interface of the camera. Then we enter the Wi-Fi settings interface on our mobile device and find the Wi-Fi network of our Wi-Fi network we like to connect to our mobile phone. And then we add the camera to the app 2Ya, for example. We are plus and go through the local area network. Job's done. And of course, we can also connect with a personal computer because it is possible to connect using a homepage. So you see, you can use an app with your smartphone. And you can use the personal computer via a website to connect to this Wi-Fi operated security camera system. With 2560 to 1440 pixels, up to 25 frames per second. This is enough for a security camera, I think. And then we can capture videos, we can take photos, we can make a security plan as we like. We need a power supply for it, of course. The power is DC 12 volt. The AC adapter is included, so get it into it and get started with it. This is the really cool ENSTER 2.5K 4MP security camera system. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.